Hi everyone, welcome in Python programming. So today we will see how we can create the web application using the Python libraries. So one of the libraries that is a Streamlit is an open source Python library that allow you to create a web application for machine learning, data science, and the other analytic tasks. So it's require the minimal efforts because it's a particular popular for simplicity and you easy of use. So you, with this Streamlit, you can turn your Python scripts into interactive web app without requiring the knowledge of web development like HTML, CSS, and the JavaScripts. So a Streamlit provide a simple API. Let's see how we can create the simple application with the Streamlit with the minimum code. So I'm using importing the first of all the library, the Streamlit. So that is a Streamlit library as st. Now simply I'm writing the main program. So def main function, and here I'm creating the title. So I'm writing the title here. So title is web my web app my web application. So this is my web application. Now this is title. Now I'm creating here some input box from the user. Let's suppose I'm creating the web app and I want something here like user can be input. So text input, simple program, simple code is there, and enter the name, enter your name. Okay, and I'm closing here with the if name. I think everyone know this one. So whenever we are using this one, so for closing the main application, so main, then simply I'm writing here the main. So let's run this app. So first of all, and we can write more code there. So how we need to run this app? So we need to go in the terminal and we need to write streamlit run. My application name is main app. So I'm writing here main.py. Then click to run. So I didn't write any HTML or CSS code here. Okay, so I only write here the Python code, and now you can see here this is showing something, the code there. Okay, so I need to go here. You can see here the automatically the web app is opening and it's opening on the local host. Okay, this is my web app. So side by side we will see this also. So you can see here this is showing the my web application. So it's showing like this display. So enter name. So let's suppose I will enter here and they will be show the my name here. So let's do more things here. Let's write more things. So then the we will see how this will be work. So my name is here. Now I'm giving some more box here. So let's suppose I'm writing here color option. So I'm writing here the one variable. So I want the some, let's suppose your name, my name is Saurav and I like a red color and blue is my favorite one, blue, and I'm giving here the red, blue, green. So this is RGB. So I'm writing my RGB colors. Yeah, it's my favorites ones. Now let's suppose this is the favorite colors and I'm creating one more drop down for here. So favorite color equal to, so next is I'm giving the select box st.select box, st.select box, and I'm writing here my select box, select the favorite color. Okay, so I'm selecting my favorite color, and simply I'm writing here the color options. Okay, so now my color options there. Now I'm writing here the st.write, so I want to print that one. Okay, so how we will print? With the write option. Okay, so I'm writing f hello. Let's suppose my name is, I'm calling my name here, simple Python code name, like my name is Saurabh, so whatever the user will be write, so they will be give that name. Then my favorite, after this I didn't write the comma, my favorite color is, let's suppose I'm writing here my favorite color is, now I'm giving the favorite underscore color. Okay, so this is the code, I write it here. Okay, so and simply I need to go there, and here you can see here this is my web app. I am clicking here on the web browser. Let's expand and let's see here. You see is showing the here some options, rerun, always rerun. Okay, so if I click on the always rerun, so whenever any change will be there, so they will be automatically rerun. Okay, so I click on rerun. Now you can see here this my app is fully app is here. Let's suppose my name, I'm writing my name is Saurabh Sharma. So and select a favorite color. So let's suppose my favorite color is blue. Now you can see here, hello Saurabh Sharma, my favorite color is blue. So simple web app we can develop using the Streamlit. Streamlit is like a Flask. So we are using the Flask in the Python. So same we can use a Streamlit application uh, library to develop our web application. Thank you guys.